Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. I have finally found some pictures of the LEGO Friends Summer 2022 sets and some City and Creator and Princess that I'm interested in getting. First up is the LEGO Friends Pony Wash set. 60 pieces in this, 4+ set, and in 4+ sets there's no stickers, so they're all printed parts, and I love that printed panel at the back, and you get Mia and Daniel in this set. HEARTLAKE City Pizzeria is next with 144 pieces, and Olivia and Ethan feature in this set. I do like this. It is quite small, but I think there's lots to work with, and I would have liked some more diversity in the food. We've already had so many pizza sets, but I do like the look of this one. I will be definitely getting this for sure, and I love Olivia's little chef hat. And we get a teal coloured pizza oven. I guess they wanted to add some more colour in this set. The roller disco, 642 pieces. I love the look of this. I love the retro 80s feel of this set. You get like a air hockey table and games, and I think there's like a dance floor there and karaoke and a bowling alley. Lots in here. There should have been an area for like a little food stand, I think. Not sure why it's called a roller disco, but I love it and I'll be getting it. Surfer Beach Fun, 288 pieces, and we get a new mini doll. It's Koa. Love the look of this guy. Like, his shirt is amazing. Love his hairdo. We get little Maya and Stephanie. Love the unicorn blow up toy thing. There's lots to do at this beach set. And I think this will go well with the glamping tent from this year. Yes, this is on my list. This is what I'm most excited about. Emma's Art School, 844 pieces. When I saw the front of this building, I fell in love. This will look so good with the main street. You could tile the front and it's just going to look amazing. The interior looks awesome as well. So much detail inside, which I love. And two mini dolls that are beautiful. I love the look of them. So we get Professor Beatrix and Felix, and of course Emma in a beautiful new pinafore that I love the look of. And seriously, this is really a very grown-up looking set. I love everything about this. I don't think I'd change anything. Mind you, I probably will rebuild it, but I love the look of it. The recycling truck, 259 pieces. Emma and River feature in this. I love their new outfits. I love that we're getting so many new outfits. And I love this truck. I love the colour of it. I love the 3 different bins, and we get a bin panda. Look at him. I love that panda. And I love the 3 different coloured bins. Definitely going on my list. This truck can go into any city. Even if you don't like mini dolls, you can get this for your city. ANDREA'S Theatre School. So this one has 1,154 pieces. It's the biggest one out of the lot for now. You've probably already seen pictures of this because they've been out for a few weeks, I think. I love it. I love the front. I love how it opens up. And I love that it talks about the elves, the old Lego elves sets. And there's just so much in this set. This will be an awesome rebuild for people. I think this will look amazing in someone's city and in my city. Ice cream truck, 84 pieces in this. I love Andrea's hair. I think that she had that hair in one of the other sets before. I love that all the mini dolls get new hair, but where's my gold mini doll? Stephanie's Marine Adventure for all you boat lovers out there. 308 pieces. This actually looks really, really good. It looks like a very grown up set as well. I love that we get new mini dolls, we get new outfits. I love the new caps, the colors, everything about this is great. I'm not a boat person, but I really like this set. And it looks like it's like a race that they have to do. Love it. Mia's Wildlife Rescue, 430 pieces. My jaw dropped when I saw this set. I was not expecting it to look like this. I am in love with it. Look at the giraffe, the little zebra. Oh my gosh, the two mini dolls, they look fantastic. I love that tree, love the waterfall. The zebra looks like it's going to get a needle in the wrong end, and I don't know, definitely on my wish list, even if it's just for the mini doll hair. Oh my goodness. Mobile Fashion Boutique, 94 pieces. Cute little set. This will probably be around $10 here in Australia. It reminds me of like another little set that Stephanie had a few years back. I like it. I love the little bow on there. I love the built hair dryer. It's a very interesting set, and I love that we get Camilla again. Love it. It's so cute. This is just called WATERPARK, and it has 373 pieces, so we get another swimming pool set, but this time this looks more like a toddler pool. I really do like it. I think this will fit with the big water park that came out last year and all the other swimming pool sets. So you can put them all together and have a massive, like, Wet n Wild. I like that we get a bathroom also. And look, Olivia gets another head. I love those goggles. This looks really cute. And that little boy, what's his name? I think it's Santiago, and his hairpiece looks like Antonio's from Encanto. Horse show trailer. This looks really interesting. It's definitely different to the other trailers we received. Love the colour scheme. Love that Jeep car. And check out the back, how you open it with all the details inside. And it looks like you get gold accessories, and you get a bathroom and a kitchenette in this trailer. This is amazing. I haven't got a horse trailer yet, so I think this one will be on my never-ending list. Cinderella and Prince Charming's castle, 365 pieces. I didn't know we were getting another castle. I just found the picture and I went, whoa, this actually looks nice. I love the blue roof. It's definitely different to what we got, and I love that fish bowl, the grandfather clock, and look at the evil stepmother and Lucifer the cat. I think I'll be getting it just for the stepmother, the cat, and even Prince Charming. Actually, just get the whole set in general because it's awesome. Anna and Olaf's Castle Fun, 108 pieces. Love the colour. It ties in with the Arendelle Castle that we got last year, so that's good if you want to add to that. Love those doors because they will be printed. Farmers Market Van, 310 pieces. I know this is a city set, but I love this. You get corn on the cobs and upside down grape looking things and a little tiny bunny, and there's so much to love about this set. I really like the look of this whole set. It's going to look awesome for my mini dolls. Love how the van opens up too, and that big carrot on the roof. Great set. And next is the grocery store, and this one has 404 pieces. Getting it because, you know, you can never have enough food shops in your city. Love that little forklift, and you get a shopping trolley and cute little mini figs, and love that flower stand. Barn and farm animals, 230 pieces, 4+ set, but no way is this a 4+ set. I am in love with it. As soon as I saw the little baby piggies and the little lamb and the little cow and the sheep and everything, I'm like, nah, I'm getting it. And the little sheep's wool actually comes off. The chicken hen house, 101 pieces. Definitely have to get this to put next to the farm. This is just a cute, gorgeous set. Love that we get different coloured chalks because I've only got white and grey ones at the moment, so love those. And the last one, Downtown Noodle House, 569 pieces. This is the Creator 3-in-1. Oh, I love this set. I will be getting it. It looks sort of like the pet shop that we got a few years back, so that will look amazing next to it, and it will look awesome next to that toy shop as well. Love these 3-in-1 sets because you get, you know, 3 times the fun in building. This looks like a little bike shop also. Love how that's built. I think I'm going to have to get 2 or 3 sets of this just so I can have all the different shops, because look at this, it's a gamer's shop. I love it. Oh no, you know what this means. JoJo's Brick Time. I'm going to run out of money, so I have to start saving for all of these. Hope you enjoyed.